Doubling your income. Explain how to make it double. Make money with dollar earning tips. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the intricacies of personal finance and income growth. Today, we're discussing a topic that's on everyone's mind: doubling your income. Now, let's start with a question. If you double your income today, do you think your problems would disappear? No. Right? It's a common misconception that earning more money will automatically solve all our problems. But is that really the case? Let's break it down. Doubling your income might seem like the ultimate solution. More money to spend, more financial freedom, right? But here's the catch: more money often leads to more spending. This is known as lifestyle inflation. As our income increases, so does our standard of living. We start affording luxuries that were previously out of reach. A bigger house, a better car, exotic vacations, the list goes on. But with these luxuries come increased expenses. Higher maintenance costs, more bills, the list goes on. Before we know it, we're back to living paycheck to paycheck, even with a doubled income. So, what's the solution? It's simple: mindful spending. Being aware of where your money is going and making conscious decisions can make a huge difference. It's not about depriving yourself of the things you love. It's about finding a balance between enjoying your money now and securing your financial future. Doubling your income can be a great thing if managed properly. It can provide you with opportunities to invest, save, and enjoy life. But it's not a magic solution to all problems. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage it. So, before you dream of doubling your income, ask yourself, are you ready to manage it? That's all for today's episode. We hope this gives you a new perspective on income growth and financial management. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on personal finance.